Properties of colloidal solutions. 1. Brownian movement. Colloidal particles present in a colloidal solution exhibit a very important property called Brownian movement. When a colloidal solution is viewed under an ultra microscope, the colloidal particles are seen continuously moving in a zigzag path. The property was discovered by Robert Brown. Therefore, the property was named as Brownian movement. It may be defined as follows. The continuous zigzag movement of the colloidal particles in the dispersion medium in a colloidal solution is called Brownian movement. This is the diagrammatic representation. The Brownian movement decreases, fill in the blank question. The Brownian movement decreases with an increase in the size of the colloidal particle. This is why suspensions do not exhibit in the type of movement. That is, suspensions do not exhibit this characteristic because it is heavier than the colloidal particle. Brownian movement plays an important role in imparting the stability of the sol. Give reason why, how this Brownian movement help in the stability. This is because the Brownian movement opposes the gravitational force acting on the colloidal particle and prevents them from getting settled down. That is how it helps the colloidal particle to be stable. Second property, Tyndall effect. When an intense converging beam of a light is passed through a colloidal solution kept in dark, the path of the beam gets illuminated with bluish light. This phenomenon is called Tyndall effect, and the illuminated path is known as Tyndall cone. This is the diagrammatic representation. This is the beam of light, and this is the Tyndall cone. That means, and this is the colloidal solution. The Tyndall effect is due to the scattering of light by the colloidal particle. Tyndall effect may be defined as the scattering of light by colloidal particle present in the colloidal solution. Tyndall effect is not exhibited by the true solution. This is because the particles, that is ions or molecules present in the true solution are too small to scatter light. Give reason why true solutions do not show Tyndall effect. Thus, Tyndall effect can be used to distinguish colloidal solution from a true solution. Third property, electrophoresis. Due to the presence of a particular type of electrical charge, colloidal particles in a colloidal dispersion move towards a particular electrode under the influence of an electric field. The direction of movement of the colloidal particle is decided by the nature of the charge present on them. If the colloidal particle carry positive charge, it goes to the negative. If they are having a negative charge, it goes to the positive side. And this phenomenon is known as electrophoresis and may be defined as follows. The movement of the colloidal particle towards a particular electrode under the influence of an electric field is called electrophoresis. The phenomenon of electrophoresis is clearly indicate that the colloidal particles carry a particular type of charge. The property can be used to find out the nature of the charge carried by the colloidal particles in a colloidal dispersion. The diagrammatic representation is shown, and this is before electrophoresis. That means before passing electricity. After passing electricity, it is found out that certain particles get deposited over the positive charge. That means they are negatively charged particle and get accumulated on the positive side of the electrophoresis apparatus. That means in the solution.